Hello students, today we are going to solve 2015 question paper of NEET, and you know it comprises of 45 questions. Each question carries 4 marks, so we will solve one by one. It starts with the number 136 because physics, chemistry and biology was in the beginning, so now it's physics start. So let us see. The first question says that in this set, the position vector of a particle r as a function of time is given by r is equal to, it's a vector, 4 sin 2 pi t I cap plus 4 cos 2 pi t j cap, where r is in meter, t is in second, I and j denote unit vector along x and y direction respectively. Which one of the following statement is wrong for the motion of particle? Number 1, magnitude of acceleration vector is v square by 1. We know it is correct. Exactly v square by r is the magnitude of acceleration, where v is the velocity of the particle. Magnitude of the velocity of particle is 8 meter per second. We have to see this one. Path of the particle in a circle is of radius 4 meter. We also have to see this one. Acceleration vector is along minus r, that is opposite. Okay, 2, 3 and 4 we can see, but let me check first. So what you are going to do out here? We are going to find out this question or with the help of a chapter known as simple harmonic motion of class 11. So we know v is equals to plus minus a omega. Now along the y direction, if you see the motion was along the y direction, y will be equals to 4 cos written as 2 pi and then t. So if you generalize with the equation a cos omega t, your a will come out as 4 and omega as 2 pi. So your velocity is coming out to be 8 pi meter per second. Okay. Now in the question if you go, okay, now we got velocity as 8 pi. So this is the wrong option out here. Path of the particle in a circle, the path of the radius was how much? Radius was the amplitude. Maximum amplitude was how much? It was given to be 4. If you can see in the question, it's 4, and always acceleration is directed against of r. So these 3 are the correct option. Number 2 is the wrong answer. So 2 is the correct choice for this question. Now let us move to the next question, that is question number 137. Question number 137, it says that the energy of the EM waves is of the order of 15 kilo electron volt. To which part of the spectrum does it belong? So we have to see this one: infrared, violet, ultraviolet rays, gamma rays or X rays. So for this one you need to find out its wavelength at first. So what you will do? We know lambda is equals to h by p. Also lambda is equals to hc by e, right? So your lambda is equals to hc by, so e is given to you. So hc, if you put the value and then put the value of the EM wave, that is 15 kilo electron volt. So 15 into 10 to the power 3 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, because it is in electron volt we need to convert it into joule. So if you solve this one, you will see that the wavelength is falling under the region for X rays. So I can click on X rays. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 138. Question number 138, a beam of light consisting of red, green and blue color is incident on a right angled prism. The refractive index of the metal of the prism for the above red, green and blue wavelengths are 1.39, 1.44 and 1.47 respectively. So the prism will separate all the 3 colors from one another, okay, not separate the 3 colors at all, separate the red color part from the green and blue color, separate the blue color part from the red and green color. This is a question from ray optics. Okay, if you have studied the chapter total internal reflection, I mean the topic in the ray optics, then you will see this. This question is exactly there in NCERT also. So what you have to do out here is you have to check which out of which color will not undergo total internal reflection, which will go total internal reflection. Okay, the one which will not go, it will be separated from the other colors. Okay, now if you check here, Refractive index of red color is given to you is how much? Is 1.39, and refractive index of green color is given to you is how much? 1.44, and refractive index of blue color is given to you, it is 1.47. So you have to use one formula, sine of IC is equals to 1 by refractive index. So if you see, critical angle will be more for which color? It will be more for red. So red color will not undergo total internal reflection. Other than that, these two will undergo total internal reflection, that is green and blue, and red after striking it will pass. So what will be the correct option? Option number 3. Separate the red color part from the green and blue color. So it will be separate from the what? Green and blue color. So option 3 is the correct answer.